হেল্ল' গাইছ আছাম জিকেৰ পাৰ্ট 2 লৈ আপোনালোকক সকলোকে স্বাগতম। আজি আমি পাৰ্ট 2ৰ যিমানবোৰ কুৱেশ্যন হয় সকলোবোৰ আলোচনা কৰিম। বেছি দেৰি নকৰি বলক আজি ভিডিঅ'টো আৰম্ভ কৰোঁ। 61 কুৱেশ্যন, হু ৱাজ দ্য অথৰ অফ দ্য বুক ইণ্ডিয়া এগেইনষ্ট ইটছেল্ফ? অপশ্যন ডি, ডক্টৰ সঞ্জীৱ বৰুৱা। Question number 62. The district which was separated from Assam and was given to East Pakistan in the year 1947 was? Option B, Sylhet. Question number 63. In Assam, a source of hot water spring is situated in? আপোনালোকে পাৰিলে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাই যাব এনসাৰ বিলাক। অপশ্যন এ, নম্বৰ ৰিজাৰ্ভ ফৰেষ্ট। Question number 64. Kamakhya temple was rebuilt by which owns of the following Kuch king? Option C, Naranarayan. Question number 65. Konoklata Burua became a matri of which one of the following national movements? Option B, Quit India movement. Question number 66. The Patkai Bam range makes the boundary between? Option D, India and Burma. Question number 67. Which one of the following places is the confluence of three highly reserved pilgrimage for the Hindu, Muslim and Buddhist? Option C, Hazur. Question number 68. Siang joined by Lohit and Dibang makes which of the following rivers? Option D, Brahmaputra. Question number 69. Which one was the first capital of Ahom Kingdom in Assam? Option B, Soraideg. Question number 70. The area of Kaziranga National Park is approximately? Option A, 430 square kilometer. এইটো বহুত জায়গাত বহুতো থাকিব পাৰে, সেইবাবে এইটো কুৱেশ্যনটো ইমান কাৰেক্ট নহ'ব পাৰে। 71. Of the total production of muga, the golden silk in the world, Assam produces? Option D, 99%. Question number 72. The highest concentration of forest in the state of Assam occurs in? Option A, Karbi Anglong district. Question number 73. Panidihing Bird Sanctuary is located in which one of the following districts? Option B, Sibsagar. Question number 74. Who was the first martyr of 1942 revolution in Assam? মোৰ pronunciationটো অলপ গণ্ডগোল হ'ব পাৰে, সেইবাবে মাফ কৰিব। Option A, Konoklata Burua. Question number 75. The rank of Assam in literacy among the states of India is? Option D, 26th. Question number 76. The Fulguri uprising was take place? Option C, 1861. Question number 77. When Bhupen Hazarika had been awarded with Dada Saheb Phalke Award? Question answer, 1992. Question 78. Madam Mefi festival is celebrated annually on? Option A, 31 January. Question number 79. Assam Police Day observed on? Option D, 1st October. Question number 80. Which of the following districts of Assam has been declared as first tobacco free district? Option C, Jorhat. Question number 81. In which year was the Boro Sahitya Sabha founded? Option A, 1952. আপোনালোকৰ বাবে মই ৰৈ দিছো অলপ যাতে আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাব পাৰে। Question number 82. Who directed the Assamese film Shakuntala? Option B, Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Question number 83. Which one was the second film directed by Jyoti Prasad Agarwala? Option B, Indramalati. Question number 84. The book Mariam Astava Hira Burua is written by? Option C, Orupa Kolita Patinga. Question number 85. Which Assamese film budget the National Film Award for 2014? Option D, IGO. Question number 86. Which on is the first mobile theater of Assam? Option C, Kohinoor Theatre. Question number 87. Sobha Brahma was associated with option B, fine arts. Question number 88. Lasit Divas is celebrated on option D, 24th November. Question number 89. The Assam Divas is celebrated on option D, 2nd December. Question number 90. Baksar district was created from the parts of which of the following districts? Option A, Borpeta, Nalbari, and Kamrup. Question number 91. In terms of area, the smallest district of Assam? Option B, South Salmara, Mankasa. Question number 92. Who among the following is the first Assamese translator of the Ramayana? Option B, Madhav Kandoli. Question number 93. The first novel by Rajnikant Bordoloi was option B, Miri Jiyori. Question number 94. Who wrote the book Bhakti Ratnavali? Option C, Madhav Dev. Question number 95. Shahid Divas is celebrated on option D, 10th of December. Question number 96. In which district Sainik School is located? Option B, Gwalpara. Question number 97. The first women's university in Assam, Assam Women's University, is located in option B, Jorhat. Question number 98. Assam's only fishery College of Fisheries Science is located in option B, Raha. Question number 99. The Tholahodia Bridge is built on the river. Option A, Brahmaputra. Option B, Luhitor. 100 নম্বৰ কুৱেশ্যনটো আপোনালোকে কমেণ্ট কৰি জনাই দিব আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো ভাল লাগিলে এটা লাইক কৰি দিব।